This is the Uninell UR3 vacuum and mop robot. In this video, I'm gonna open it up, show you what comes in its box, and I'm gonna show you how to assemble it, how to use it, and we'll be testing it together. So let's start by opening it up. You have a nice quick instructions guide here. And this is also some documentation and the warranty. It has 2 years warranty, which is great. This is the robot. And this is a mop. These are the brushes. And this is an extra mop. Batteries for the remote control. This is a filter. And this is the base. And by the way, this robot is self-emptying. This is the bag for the base. So this is an extra one. And the remote control. And you have also a cleaning tool that is brush and a cutter here for the hair. Now I'm gonna assemble it. I need to remove all the labels first. And this is here for the laser guiding. We need to remove all the labels so that the robot can function properly. The next step is to install the side brush. It installs here and it is just a clip-on. So make sure to put it in the right direction and just push it in until it clicks in place. Let me show you now the dustbin. So this is a dustbin. To open it, you need to push this down and just remove it like this. And here you have the filter, and this is the spare filter that came with it. So you can change it after maybe 3 months of usage, or also you can clean it. Let me close it. And when you install it, it says that it needs to click in place. Let me show you now how to install the mop. You need to turn the robot upside down like this. And you see these guiders here. You just need to slide them up like this until it clicks in place. And to remove it, you have these 2 latches. You just push them in and remove the mop to clean it and also maybe to change it here. Now, for the mopping function, you need also to put water in the tank here. So open this and put water and detergent in this hole until it is full. And then put it in place and make sure that it clicks in place. Let me show you the base now. The base should be installed as instructed here. So it should have 2 feet on the right, 2 feet on the left, and 5 feet in front of it as like area that is empty. Inside of it, there's a dust bag that you need to empty each time it is full. And you need maybe to change it each 3 months. It is very easy to install. It is a slide in like this, and the good thing is that it comes with a spare also bag in case you need it. And just close it like this. So now I'm gonna install the base and I'm gonna let the robot charge until it is completely full, and then I'm gonna show you how to use it. This is where I installed the base. To charge the robot, turn it on.
Welcome to use the robot vacuum cleaner. Ready for cleaning.
And then press on the home button after you hear the phrase ready for cleaning.
Back to charge.
So now it's gonna reverse to the base and it's gonna start charging.
Charging.
And now leave it to charge to 100%. Now the robot is completely charged. The first thing you needed to do is to make a map of your entire house. And to do this on the remote control, press this button here, that is the auto button.
Start with mapping.
Depending on the area of your house, the mapping can take from 10 to 20 minutes. So this is the application. It's called Smart Life. I installed it and I connected the robot. And by the way, you need to connect the robot to the 2.4 gigahertz network in your house so for it to work. And now this is the mapping finished. And I'm gonna tell the robot to clean room 12. So I'm gonna choose this menu and then room clean, confirm, and then choose this room and then tap on clean. And the robot will vacuum and mop at the same time. The default settings of the robot are these settings. So for the water, it is middle, and for the suction, it is at standard. I'm gonna put it and leave it at max to get the best suction power. What is also nice about it is that you can see the placement of the robot on the map here. The robot will clean the specified area and it avoids all obstacles thanks to its LiDAR technology. And what is also good about it is that thanks to its brush, it cleans all the borders very good. See here how it is avoiding the tripod's legs, and this is really a very good thing. And thanks to its 5000 PA suction power and its mop, It does a very good job in removing all the dirt and also all the dust. And what is good about it is that when it goes on a rug, it stops automatically the water dispensing so that it doesn't wet the rug. And this is an intelligent function of this robot that also can adjust its height so that it goes over bumps. And when the robot finishes the cleaning job, it goes back to its space and it empties automatically its dustbin. So after using this robot for the last 2 weeks, I can tell you that it really does a very good job in cleaning and in mopping. I particularly like about it its silent operation. If you want to check it out, I'm gonna leave an affiliate link in the description. If you make a purchase using my link, I'll gain a small percentage at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. And if you liked my video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.